What's going on, guys? It's David with the 12-volt dashboard, and on today's workshop, I'm going to show you how to use your virtual file cabinet and photo album straight from your smartphone. The virtual file cabinet and photo album is a really awesome feature of the 12-volt dashboard. It's going to allow you to take a picture straight from your smartphone and share it with all your salespeople, so that when you look up this vehicle the next time, you have this image ready to share with your customer. Now let's head to the install bay to see how it works in real time. All right, now we're in the install bay. I've already looked up our 2025 Kia K5. So we want to add a picture of the nice accent lights we added in the door. So we just go to our vehicle, pick the area we want to add this picture to, which in this case it's going to be special parts. Click add an image, choose a file, and I can take a picture right from the app. So now I can go ahead and take a picture of our door, hit use photo, and save my image. And now it's added for all my sales team to be able to show our customers this exact install that we did in our bay for the next K5 that comes in the door. And now you see how simple it is to get that image straight from your smartphone to the 12-volt dashboard fit guide for all your salespeople to see. Thank you for tuning in to today's workshop. If you want more information on what we talked about today, just scan the QR code or go to our website, the12voltdashboard.com, to find out more.